Boom. Charisma steering wheel came in. Full carbon fiber with the Alcantara. I did order some Alcantara cleaner and but yeah, some cleaner just to keep it lasting, because these tend to mess up after like 8 months. One of my friends actually told me that, and shout out to him, man. Shout out to Canon, because that's my boy. If not, I would have not known that. But today, also from Canon, we got full carbon fiber replacements for my interior that doesn't already have carbon fiber. So my seat covers for my bucket seats that aren't true buckets, but I actually prefer the buckets I have because they're heated, cooled, and fully adjustable. But yeah, and also some carbon fiber replacements for my console area, as well as upper console, middle, rear, and the rear. I ordered so much stuff, I'm not gonna lie. I actually forgot some of what I ordered, but we're here, baby. Oh, my boy, nice. Ooh, he sent me 2. Yeah, I'm gonna use these at the car meets so nobody can see my plate. Yo, shout out Denman, man. DMCF, Denman CF. I hope you guys see that, read it. Boom, shop. Put these right there. All right. Ooh, carbon fiber. And also, what I love about it, he makes OEM replacements. He's not giving me clips that I'm just popping onto my car. He's giving me OEM replacements. Like, do you guys see this? Pretty sure these are the door steps. I think these are the door steps. We'll see. You know, I'm a little new to the car scene overall. Well, I mean, cars, but first time owning a G80, which is also my dream car, so hey, I'm living the life. Excuse me, doggy. Move, move, move. That's carbon. Get away. That's carbon. What's this? Dry carbon. Ooh. My boy's business card is even dry carbon. I feel like a kid unboxing all my toys. Oh yeah, this is for the back of the console. Nice. Watch out, dude. Hey. Mr. Sniffer. Oh. My boy, hey. Yo, he gave you some wafers too, hell yeah. Oh, excuse my language. I gotta beat that up. Watch out, bro. And boom. Ooh. And there we have her. Full carbon fiber. What are you doing over there, bro? Whatever. He's living his life just like I am. But carbon fiber seat covers. No, well, not covers. These are OEM, like I said, OEM replacements, baby. No clip-ons. OEM replacements. Look at the carbon. Oh my, yo, he took his time and did his thing with this, bro. And of course, they came with the headrests, caps. But you know, I'm sure you guys knew that. But stay tuned, because I actually have next week coming in a new lip. Actually, this week, a whole new lip, carbon fiber lip coming in for the car as well. Okay, these are for the, oh yeah, these are for the area next to the AC vent. Not the AC vent, but like AC control unit as well. Nice. Nice. Oh my God, these business cards. Yo, I'm not gonna cap, bro. Every time I meet somebody that's into the cars or ask me where I'm getting my carbon from, I'm gonna give them your business cards. Really shout out to you, Denman. You hooked me up, no cap. All right, I'm gonna show you guys in this little bit. I'm gonna show you guys the car so you can see kind of what I'm replacing so far. Right here we have this bottom side step right there. We're gonna replacing that by the back seat. It's also this front one. I did order the replacements for that silver trim you see on the dashboard right there and the little console. We're about to head out and just get this steering wheel installed by Raptors Orlando. They also have to do just a little bit touch-ups to the car. And so that means I'll be dropping her off for a whole nother day and I'll pick her up tomorrow. But let's get that done, because the longer I wait, the longer I'll be away from my baby. And y'all know how that be. Woo. Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna tell you exactly what they are. Cause I got a carbon fiber lip coming in, so I'll just come back to get that installed with them. It's no biggie. Cause this shit is so hard. Yo. So this Charisma steering wheel is actually pretty easy to use. You can hold down both buttons for about 3 seconds. It'll load up the menu. If you press the right button, it lets you select. If you press the left button and you're on the main screen, it just changes the dials for you to see either water temperature, oil temperature, everything else. You can also see your boost gauge as well. I mean, I already have one on my left, so I don't really use it, but yep, there's the main menu, there's your color gauges. Like, honestly, if you guys wanted to know what absolute joy was, getting this steering wheel and just all this carbon installed from Denman has to be top 5 best feelings. Cause let's look at my seats, bro. They're beautiful, bro. I don't even care if they don't have the, you know, the holes like the other buckets, cause these are actually comfortable. Those buckets aren't as comfortable as my buckets. And I can turn on red, so I will. Thank you very much. Ripping through downtown. Nice. Nice. I don't have to. You know what's so crazy? I figured that steering wheel warmer button wasn't gonna work with this carbon fiber steering wheel because it's carbon fiber. That sounds stupid, but More upgrades coming soon. If you guys want to see more, subscribe and like. Don't forget to share the video and stay tuned.